Ito ang ilan sa mga unang pahayag ni Mississauga Streetsville Liberal Member of Parliament Reggie Valdez nang harapin niya ang mga dumalo sa kanyang election watch party. Halos alauna na ng madaling araw Martes nang kumpirmahin ang resulta ng halalan sa riding kung saan naipanalo ng Pinay-Canadian MP sa ikalawang pagkakataon ang boto ng Streetsville.
I just want to say, first of all, thank you so much to Mississauga Streetsville for putting your trust in me again. As your Member of Parliament for Mississauga Streetsville, it truly is an honor to be able to serve you. I feel like I'm in a totally different position now because we have new leadership, fresh perspective, and of course, being able to come with all those experiences again is going to really help me this time around.
Pero bago ang pagdiriwang sa kanyang tagumpay, hindi maikakaila ang tensyong naramdaman ng Team Valdez habang binabantayan ang dikit na laban sa pagitan ng Pinoy MP at ni Conservative candidate Sue McFadden.
Hinahanda ko yung loob ko in a way because I'm keeping in mind na this is how democracy works. And democracy means that every voice should be heard.
Bagamat hindi kalakihan ng populasyon ng mga Pilipino sa riding, hindi binigo ng komunidad si Valdez at ipinakita ang kanilang walang sawang suporta sa Filipino MP.
Kami ay proud na proud sa iyo. We're so grateful that I know that you're representing the Filipino-Canadian community and of course you're riding as well.
Her hope in the future talaga is to encourage a lot more Filipinos to be involved in their politics and their civic duty kasi we can make a lot of difference. Now that we're 1 million in Canada, we are a very significant amount of electorate.
Sa gitna ng selebrasyon para sa patuloy na representasyon ng Filipino-Canadian sa Ottawa, nagbahagi rin si Valdez ng pakikiramay at pakikidalamhati sa komunidad na patuloy pa ring hinihilom ang sugat na iniwan ng trahedya sa Lapu-Lapu Day Block Party sa Vancouver noong Sabado.
I've been speaking to many BC community leaders there, talking to them about how they've experienced and what they're going through. My heart continues to break with them, and I understand these are difficult times. But one of the things I noticed after speaking with them is also the resilience of the Filipino-Canadian community. The resilience that they're coming together, uniting as a community to being able to support one another. It's actually truly inspiring.
Paula Saraza, Omni News, Mississauga.